Now, you guys asked a lot about underrated skincare. Now, this particular brand is fairly new in the market, has a similar kind of packaging as minimalist and ordinary, and many of you guys had a contradictory thought. Some people say it's really nice, some people say it's really bad, and some people were really confused and wanted my thoughts on it. So, I tried these three products from underrated skincare. Now, I wanted to properly try out these products, and that took a while. I finally scrutinized my thoughts, which I'm gonna talk in this video. So, if you are curious, then stay tuned. So, Underrated as a brand is dedicated to providing high quality skin and hair care products. Its mission is to make healthy and radiant skin and hair accessible to all by formulating the best products at an affordable price. That is what their whole motto is. And the price range. Let's talk about the price range first before talking about these products, because all of their products falls under the budget of 300 rupees. That is a remarkable thing, because if you go ahead and search for a moisturizer or a targeted base serum or even a face wash and a body moisturizer, you are paying something about like 300 max 500 rupees. But the price range is what that really impressed me about this particular brand. Let's talk about the product, shall we? The first product in the list is the acne free body moisturizer, which has the goodness of cocoa butter, salicylic acid, neem and turmeric. It comes in this 200 ml of packaging, and the MRP is stated as 550 rupees, but again I got it for under 300 rupees, something about like 250 or 229. Let's talk about the ingredient list first and then my experience. So firstly, it has beta hydroxy acid, that is the salicylic acid present in it. It has nice emollients such as castor seed oil, cocoa butter and even sunflower seed oil, and these emollients does concern me a little bit. If you have comedone problems, this emollients might give you a little bit of comedones, I'm not sure, but the formulation is everything that you have to keep it in mind. It also has some soothing ingredients such as aloe leaf extract, which is really great, and also turmeric and neem extract. Now my skin is really allergic to turmeric, and my skin did fairly okay with this particular body lotion. And apart from that, it does has perfume or fragrance, and it is the last ingredient in the ingredient list. Let's talk about my experience. First of all, let's talk about the texture, because that is something that we all want, and body lotion is something that we are going to use every single day, and we want our body lotion to be super hydrating but non-sticky at the same time, because especially in southern India or especially in Kolkata, we don't get much of like dry season. It's like all over summer and monsoon and humidity, and we don't want a thick base body lotion for our skin. We want something that is super lightweight, and this body lotion is really lightweight, blends within seconds. Even if your skin is wet, sometimes when you come out of the shower your skin is a little bit wet, and sometimes if you apply thick emollient based body lotion or body butter, you get that white cast. It doesn't happen with this one. Now it does has a lot of like castor seed oil and coconut oil that can be comedogenic, so do a patch test and use it. The one thing that concerns me about this particular body moisturizer is that it is supposed to be an acne free body moisturizer, right? But the ingredients that is meant to heal your acne or make it a little bit better is salicylic acid, and I wanted it to be at least like in the first 5 ingredients help a little bit with my body acne. I didn't find any kind of difference. As a body lotion, it's fine, it moisturizes my skin, but I'm not sure about the acne free part. It is not a fragrance free product. That is what I was excited about, but the fragrance is really bad. It is really nauseating. It smells like hand soap, and that is something that I don't want my body to smell always. So yeah, that's the only down part. But overall, if you talk about the pricing, to the quality, to the packaging and everything, I will give this product a 4 out of 5. Coming on to the next product, which is their purifying and acne free gel face wash, which has the goodness of salicylic acid, niacinamide, neem and lemon. Oh my god, I know it's a red flag, but let's delve a little bit on the other ingredients that this particular product have. If you talk about the surfactant, it has cocamidopropyl betaine, which is one of the mildest surfactants out there. Talk about some other ingredient, it does has neem extract, salicylic acid, a little bit higher in the list compared to the body lotion, and it also has the goodness of niacinamide. Coming on to 2 red flag ingredients that this particular product has. First one is lemon fruit oil, and second one is menthol. Now in a wash off product, I don't think many people would suffer from any allergy or any kind of skin sensitivity, but if you have sensitive skin like me, I think you should avoid it. Coming on to my actual experience, my skin hated it. When I first initially applied, it was okay, but after 30 seconds my skin, especially in the nose area, started to sting. I was not sure because I previously did a chemical peel and then I used it. I thought maybe that's why my skin is a little bit stinging. Then I again gave this one a fair share after like 2 to 3 days when my skin completely healed, and then again it started stinging. So yeah, this one didn't suit me at all. The MRP is stated as 319, but I believe I got it for 200 rupees or 209 rupees. It comes in this nice pump packaging which is really convenient, and only if it did suit me I would have repurchased it because this is super affordable, bang for your buck, has good ingredients. The only sad part, if they remove lemon, fruit oil and menthol, I believe this is going to be a very good product. If you talk about the face wash itself, it's a gel based face wash. And it also has this amazing peppermint smell that I really adore. But again, menthol and lemon fruit oil, I don't think many people would appreciate that. And I would give this one, sadly, a 1 out of 5 because it didn't suit me. Last but not the least, we have the Alpha Arbutin 2% cream. Now, I was really shocked because the MRP stated something about 750 rupees. And I got this one for about 230, 250 rupees. What? I don't think you can find any cheaper alternative to this because it has a pump packaging first of all. Secondly, it has the goodness of alpha arbutin, ashwagandha and gotu kola or sika. Now, ashwagandha in itself is a really rare to see ingredient in an affordable skincare product apart from the ashwagandha bounce from Deepika Padukone. Ashwagandha is a really good ingredient for overall brightening up your skin. Gotu kola or sika is really great for calming down your skin, overall helping with your acne and acne marks. And alpha arbutin itself is a tyrosinase inhibitor which is really great for your acne marks, stubborn acne marks, PIH and even a little bit of PIE. If you talk about the texture, the cream itself is super lightweight, but it does has a little bit of white cast if you apply too much. It has a lot of comedogenic ingredients, but again, formulation matters. And overall, I would give this particular product a solid 4.5 out of 5, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love this. So the two products that I mentioned before did had fragrance, but this one is a fragrance-free product that will be appreciated by a lot of you guys. So these were my thoughts about these 3 underrated products. Apart from that, I do really find this outer packaging quite fascinating. It has this really nice engraving on the outer packaging. If you are a chemistry student, then you will be familiar with this. So yeah, it's a really nice touch, and overall it's a white label packaging. It is pretty similar to other white label packaging such as minimalist or ordinary, and for the pricing I think the products are totally justifiable. Okay guys, these were my thoughts on the underrated skincare products. If you want me to try more of their products too, let me know in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly, subscribe to this channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. So bye bye and take care.